Hello everyone, I'm Adiza, and on this channel I'll be sharing everything about freelancing, online business, and how to build income online as a beginner. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe because I'll be documenting the entire journey. Alright, so this video is all about how to become a virtual assistant, who a virtual assistant is, and what does a virtual assistant do. So a virtual assistant, also known as a VA, is a person who helps businesses remotely. That is, they are not online, they work virtually. It could be from home, anywhere they are located, and you can help businesses with things like email management, social media posting, data entry, customer support, research, calendar management, and a whole lot. However, if you're starting as a beginner, I would advise that it's not like you should just focus on one thing. No, but start gradually. That is, maybe you're interested in social media assistance or email management or data entry. You can start with that first, then along the line you can decide to expand. Okay, so that is one thing I would advise. Like, take for instance myself, I started with calendar management, email management, and basic administrative service before I move ahead to little no code automation. However, then from there being an operation virtual assistant. So it's just gradually, so that way you will not overload yourself and you will not be overwhelmed. Okay, now let's talk about the tools that a virtual assistant use. We have different tools. You can start with the basics, such as the Google Workspace, where we have Google Drive in it, we have Google Calendar, we have Google Meet, we have a whole lot of Google tools inside Google Workspace. So you can start with Google Workspace because many businesses use that and it's so affordable for them. So that is exactly why they use it. And another reason why they use this is because you can tend to share with other team members. That is, there's easy flow of communication and sharing of document between among teams. So that's why they use that as well. So you can start with that. You can start with Trello, you can start with Canva and little tools just for a start that will help you do the particular kind of virtual assistant tasks that you want to start with. Okay, then another thing is, how much can you make as a beginner virtual assistant? You can make roughly between $5 to 15, 20. In fact, some people actually make $30 per hour. So it depends on the value you are bringing, how good you are. So like I said, the more experience you gain on being a virtual assistant, the more you earn, the higher the chances of you earning more, because it gives you that confidence, and you must have learned a lot, so you must have had more experiences from your past work, and that will give you more confidence to defend yourself, to prove yourself to any prospective clients that might need your services. All right, so just start, no matter what, even if they give you like $5 per hour, because compared to the Nigeria that we are in, when you convert that money, it is a whole lot. Imagine now you working for 30 hours in a week or 40 hours in a week, multiplied by $5 per hour. That's a whole lot. That is working 8 hours in a day. That's like, it's 8 hours times 5. That should be around $40 in a day. So multiply that and see what the return. So sometimes don't just say, okay, the figure is much, and then you kind of miss the opportunity. You can start with what you have, start from where you are. And someone like myself, I even started with Nigerian clients, so that even paid as low as 80,000 naira. So another angle that you look at it from is the fact that you're not paying for fare, you're not paying for any other thing except just your data. Okay, so for a start, you can just use that money to improve yourself, to gain more skills, learn more, and just being available online, because there's no way you can apply for jobs if you don't have data, if you don't have online. So just use that as your investment. Okay, so another thing people ask is, do I need experience to become a virtual assistant? And to be sincere, there you don't need too much experience, because You can use an app. You do email, you send email normally with your Gmail. Even yourself, you make research to do some things. So all those experiences that you have is enough for you to start as a virtual assistant, as a beginner virtual assistant. So you don't need to be like a guru before you can start as a virtual assistant. No. Don't let anyone tell you the lies. As fast as you can use the app on your phone, you can go to Google Play Store to download, maneuver, go through the interface, browse, do other things, then you can become one. Then another thing that people normally ask is, where can I get jobs? This is the most important, and this is the most asked questions on the internet as far as working remotely is concerned, because it is very, very important. Without job, your skill is useless. So having learned all the skills and everything and not getting job is something that is really, really quite painful, and it's not something that is really easy to go through, like being jobless and not doing anything at a particular point in time. But we have various platforms to apply for jobs. We have places like Fiverr, we have freelancer.com, we have Upwork, and we have Reddit, we have Twitter. People actually get jobs from Twitter. People actually get jobs from Reddit as well, because the most important thing is people do not look towards this parts of this kind of platform when it comes to job. But when you go to Twitter and Reddit, there's a way you search and you get to see jobs. I'll be talking about that in my subsequent videos. If you want me to do more on that, just comment in the comment section and I'll do a video on that. Then we'll be talking more on jobs that sites that you can actually get jobs to in another video. However, before I finish this video, I just want to tell you that you can also reach out to small businesses on Instagram. You can connect with entrepreneurs on LinkedIn. You can offer help in Facebook business group. Your first client may not pay you a lot. That's just what I want you to know. Have it at the back of your mind. Your first client is not going to pay you. No, let me not say, let me not be rigid. Let me be flexible now. Might. So your first client might not pay you a lot, and that's okay. Your goal is experience and testimonials, like proof to show that this is what I've been able to do, this is what I've been able to achieve, this is what I did for my clients, and this is exactly what I can also do for you when you employ me. So from there, you get to gain more experiences. So forget about the pay right now. Just focus on learning, gaining experience, and being a valuable person that people cannot overlook. So I've talked about how much to earn. Then the mindset about being a virtual assistant is not just about making money, because it kind of build yourself along the line. In the journey you build yourself, you can even start up your own personal business. So there's a whole lot more to benefit when you're a virtual assistant. So that's just by the way. So in my next video, I'll be talking about where to get jobs. I hope you stick around and stay so follow me if you haven't. If you like this video, if it has been helpful, give this video a like so you can reach other people, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell as well, so that you can see more of my new videos. I'll see you. Bye.